Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your application from internal storage to SD card on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we have to activate our developer mode on our setting. Go to your setting and you have to go to the about phone, this one. Okay, and on this about phone, you have to choose the software information and you have to click on the build number many times until the developer mode has been activated. I'm going to practice it like this. Okay, and now the developer mode has been turned on and we have to open our developer mode. So this is the developer options or a developer mode, and in this developer options we have to choose the force allow apps on external, so we can transfer our application from internal storage to our external storage or SD card. You just need to activate this option, and after that you can go back to the setting and open the app setting. This is the app setting and you can choose the application you would like to move to your SD card. And for example guys, I'm just going to move the Instagram application. I'm going to select Instagram. We can choose Instagram and then we can click on the storage. And if we want to move application from internal storage to SD card, we can change the storage location. Click on change. And here we're going to select SD card. And after we select SD card, the application will be moved from internal storage to SD card. Alright guys, and that's how we can move application from internal storage to SD card. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.